in the home appliance space where LG had led countless innovations. With LG MoodUP, we are creating yet another new product category you can customize to your own lifestyle.
Meets the paramount of personalized style and innovation, LG's refrigerator with MoodUP. MoodUP offers a new real-time transition, providing the design, space, and feeling that you want. And as a ThinQ appliance, it also delivers a fun experience, one that is first, unique, new, one that reacts immediately to your mood choice, your music, or even the weather. With the variety of in the color collection, you can easily change the color with each door. The 4-door French model allows you to mix and match between 190,000 different color combinations. The music collection allows you to play music to suit your mood and create ambiance while preparing dinner. We also collaborated with the Pantone Color Institute. You can enjoy Viva Magenta, the Pantone Color of the Year for 2023. And of course, we didn't forget our LG refrigerator technology and innovations. With InstaView, simply knock twice to see what's inside. And with Craft Ice, take your entertaining to the next level with slow melting round ice balls, perfect for all of your cocktails and beverages.